Honor brands are quite popular in many regions for the aggressive price and functionality it offers. Also for the reason many can't afford fully fledged activity trackers like Honor Magic Watch 2 or the Honor GS Pro. Honor recently launched its Band 6 in China and it is available for the global market through the AliExpress. This is the successor of the most famous Honor Band 5 and I am very fortunate enough that I can get my hands on of this stylish wearable. In this video, I'll be doing the unboxing and my first impressions. So without any further delay, let's get started with the unboxing. The fun fact is, this is my first ever unboxing of the Honor device. I hope we will be doing more like this in the coming days. So that's a minimalist unboxing. Okay, when it comes to the colors, Band 6 is available in black, grey and pink. I have the black one here. Personally speaking, I love the other colors because they are refreshing. Coming to the device, the very first thing you will be noticing is the big screen. The Honor Band 6 features a massive 1.47 AMOLED screen with spectacular visual experience. A 1.47 widescreen means 148% more display space than conventional fitness bands, giving you a phenomenal visual experience. There are quite a few watch faces pre-installed, so you can change it as per your needs. The band weighs just 18 grams and it comes with straps that are made of silicone and it's quite comfortable for me now, but I'll tell you more about in my full review which will be uploaded soon. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that you will be notified once the video is live. The buttons have a red line running through them, giving them a very attractive look. This is the only physical button using which you can toggle the menus. The big logo design seen on the Honor 30 series is on the other side of the watch and Honor text is eye-catching. The Band 6 advertises 14 days of battery life on a single charge. Does this last 2 weeks? That I'll tell you in my full review after testing a bit. When it comes to recharging the battery, the charging port is on the back side. We are getting the wire charger inside the box itself. The band has a health monitoring like SpO2, 24/7 heartbeat monitoring, sleep monitoring and stress monitoring. It has a 10 professional inbuilt workouts. Another notable feature is the women's menstrual cycle recording feature on the band, which reminds and tracks the menstrual period using a calendar method for women. The band is IP67 waterproof rated. It is also splash proof, waterproof and it can withstand up to 50 meters of water, which means that you can swim and even take shower with this band. To conclude this video, on screen you can see the specifications of the Band 6. So that's it with the Band 6 in this video. I'll be testing this for the next couple of weeks and will present my full review. So stay subscribed to TechnSpice and don't forget to hit the bell notification. I'll meet you in the next one. Until then, this is Manish signing off.